Children, I just went gambling and I got bankrupt. So do not go gambling. That is actually not true. I did not go gambling. I'm in Fortnite. Just chilling, relaxing, and I thought of a YouTube idea. Oh, maybe I should do. Maybe I should buy 5 freaking dub shotguns. And it turns out that was a freaking bad idea because I did that 2 times. And look how much gold I had. 3,802 gold. And I'm pretty sure that's not enough to buy 5 of them. So I'm gonna go sweat mode, and I'm gonna try to get in top 10. If you want me to post all the YouTube all the videos of me literally suffering and going bankrupt, I will. Just tell me in the comments if you want to watch me go bankrupt. Yes, and this is a video where I probably get bankrupt. I'm gonna have 0 gold and have to grind back to 10k. And probably can't even do the exotic loadout by then. I mean, hopefully, but I have to have a game where I can do this. I need a game, and this is my game. Where I get in top 10 or get in top 5, or get top 3, get top 2, or get top 1. This is going to be my video. But if in this match, if he doesn't spawn where I'm going, then that's a big problem. Big booty problem. And I want to get the booty royale. So, let's do this. In 2 locations to find it. Just so you know, if you don't know it, then either here, like between Dirty and Coastal Colosseum, and Pleasant Park and Stealthy Stronghold, like right here, just right next to Stealthy. So come on, please. Come on, spawn. Yes, he spawned. Come on. I do not want to go bankrupt anymore. See this? You could buy 5 of them. Literally 5. And I think I'm going to go bankrupt. So, let me just adjust that. Oh, no. This is bad. 3, 2. I have 800 gold. I literally have 800 gold. I'm going bankrupt. I'm literally going bankrupt right now. Literally, no cap. Come on. I need to find as much. I'm not going to even use heals. 1, I died from a bot. 2, I died from a bot. So, you could literally take fall damage with these things. Like, for example. That's still a little too high up. Like, you can literally take fall damage with them. Like right now I'm at 85 health. You see I just took fall damage right there. So I'm on top of the med. And yeah. Children, this is why you do not gamble, because you could go bankrupt. Here's a story. Say, what the frick? Come on. So say you go gambling at a casino and things go pretty well. You win a couple of games and stuff, and then you lose. You bet all your money thinking that you win, but no, you don't. And you lose all your money. And it's your biggest problem. And you say, and then you lose all your money, and then things don't go too well. You can't pay the rent, and then you go homeless, and then you're gonna die of freaking hunger. And then you got bankrupt. That's exactly what happened to me. Even though I have 802 gold bars, that's still a lot of money, right? Well, according to Fortnite, a video game, a freaking weapon costs like 600 to 400 freaking gold. And it used to be like 1,250 gold, but now, thank God they lowered the freaking price, because I would be bankrupt already, running out of gold, but too bad Fortnite, they saved my life. I'm going big. So after this video, I should probably start grinding if I die. But this video, I'm gonna post it because I don't really post a lot, and I don't really have a chance to. But this is my chance to do that. So yeah. Alright. Alright, circle's not too far away. I don't want to get into a fight. I want to get into a fight, but not really get into a fight, because I have that feeling that I might die. Because if I die, then I can only buy one dub shotgun. And one dub shotgun is nothing, because I can't double pump. Because if you want to see me double pump, then you can. What the heck? Want to see glitch? Fortnite, do not remove this glitch. Did you? Nope, you didn't. Look. So there's vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. So strawberry's on the right with a little bit of chocolate mixed in, and vanilla's like kind of in the middle, right here, right there, and then chocolate's like in between vanilla and chocolate and chocolate, between both of those little spaces. So if you want to go get some ice cream, go there. And should I camp in sand all game? Sand is probably not even going to be a thing. Yes, sir. If my parents walk in on me, then I have to delete the video. I literally have to. Crap! Why did I do that? I mean, at least I get the big pot, and I'm getting out of here, of course. Dude, let me pick this up. Dude, let me... Oh my god. Now people know where I'm at. No, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad. This is completely bad. It's fine. It's only just one. It's one. That's it. Yeah, that's totally fine, right? Yeah, that's fine. Definitely. Definitely fine. I need gold. Why did I do that? What? It made me jump out. I didn't even hit A. Somebody right here. I see somebody. Get in the sand. Get in the sand. Hurry up. Oh my god. I know I have that feeling that I feel like I'm gonna die from this person. It's fine. There's nothing suspicious about this sand. Nothing. Swimming won't hurt you. Yes, it will. You could literally drown. And that's what my parents told me. Swimming won't hurt you. Excuse me. You could freaking drown. Huh? What? That makes no sense. What is going on? I mean, I understand that I should have got out of the sand, but why does Fortnite keep doing that? Ow! What the heck? I like turtles. Turtles are the best. No, Groot is the best. Why do I like? Why is it somebody shooting at me? Yeah, them. I'm not allowed to use heals, but I'm allowed to, like, if other people have it, I could just, like, use the minis. I'm out of mats. I'm literally out of mats. This is bad. No! 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 I'm literally gonna go bankrupt. I'm literally bankrupt. I'm literally bankrupt. Oh my god. I'm literally freaking bankrupt. I am literally bankrupt. Holy fuck. Oh, I don't know. Oh my. I'm literally bankrupt. Oh my god. I mean, I'm in top 9. Great. I got in first. I have to post it because literally, this is like the only. I have many other videos, but those videos were trash because I died from dang bots. It's. Oh my god. Ah, back to gold grinding. Great. Oh god, bro. This is why I'm so dumb. I should have got a freaking teammate. Oh my god. Wow. I'm just literally mad. There are literally two more weeks left in this freaking season. That's it. Literally, that's it. That's what I heard, and literally. So I better go back to gold grinding. So I hope you freaking enjoyed, and please like and sub because I'm literally going bankrupt. Not in real life though, but comment down comment if you want me to show the other videos of me about to go bankrupt. And yeah, alright. Freaking hope you enjoy. And you're gonna freaking bye. Bye.